loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do an unboxing of one of the items on my wishlist 2022. So if you're interested to know what is the item I'm ticking off from this list, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. I make videos such as hauls, unboxing, reviews, first impressions of some contemporary as well as luxury handbags, shoes, SLGs. So if you're interested in one of those topics, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below, as it will help the algorithms of my channel in YouTube. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I do share some OOTD outfit of the day and how I wear these items on a daily basis. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for all your support and for always tuning in. By the way, I would like to let you know that I did some timestamp throughout this video, so if you're interested, you can check them out in the description down below. So, I would like to let you know that I also made a video of my luxury wish list for 2022. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as the link in the description down below. In case you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out so you have an idea what are the different items that are on my wish list. Also, I'm going to put in the description down below the different items that I have already ticked off from that list. So if you're interested to check what are those items, just go check them out in the description down below. So, without further ado, I am going to reveal the fourth item that I am taking off from my wish list of 2022, and that is from Chanel. So, with this size of packaging, I think you have already an idea what it is if you have seen my wish list video. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to share with you what is the item that I am taking off from my wish list. So the packaging looks like that in a black black paper bag with the white camellia, and then inside I have the items. So they put a ribbon. I'm just going to not going to take off the ribbon. I'm just going to show you what's inside this paper bag. So I'm just going to take it off and then I'm going to reveal it to you guys. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the, let's say, envelope or the booklet where they actually put what's it again? The receipt. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so I bought it at the shop here in Brussels, so that's the receipt. And then the item itself, it looks like that. So as you can see, there's again another camellia, and it arrived in this box. So going to unbox it. I'm going to take off the camellia first. Okay. So I'm just going to have a look first, and then I'm going to show it to you guys. So okay, it arrived with this small booklet, and I think you already have an idea by showing this to you guys what it is. Okay, so inside the box is this beautiful velvety let's say pouch, and inside is, I'll just have a look first, okay, and then I'm going to show it to you guys. Wow. So okay, Okay, I'm going to close it to show you how it looks like. So the pouch looks like that. So it's a velvety pouch in black with the Chanel embossed or imprinted in it. So you open it like that, and then there you have it. That is the item that I am taking off from my 2022 luxury wish list. And also, just to let you know, this item was already on my, if I'm not mistaken, on my 2021 luxury wish list as well, but it's this year that I am taking it off. So that is how the item looks like. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you the specs of the item. So this is how it looks like. So this is the Chanel brooch in the metal and lambskin, and this one is in gold and black. So as you can see, the metal as well as the leather are intertwined, and this specific brooch retails for 430 euros as of April 2022. And I'm going to put the reference of this specific brooch on the screen as well as in the description down below. And as for the size, I have measured it. So let's say the length is 6 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters. And then I'm just going to show you, so it arrived like that, and then I'm going to take it off, so just to show you how it looks like at the back. So as you have seen, that is the front side, and then just going to, yeah, so that is the front side, and then the back side looks like this. So you will see, I'm going just to put it inside. As you can see, there is the Chanel logo there, and then there's also a Chanel logo there. Yeah, all the information. And then this particular one, to open it, it's actually just, you know, you have to let me have a look. You have to push it down like that. Yeah, there's a hole there. You have to push it down, and as you can see, and then it will open like so. And then that's how it looks like. And then above in here, you also have the just a second, I'm going to show you. There's also a logo, Chanel logo, just above in here, and also in the bottom in here there's also the logo. So there has a lot of Chanel logos everywhere. So that is the specs of the Chanel brooch. So now I'm just going to share with you the reasons why I opted for this Chanel brooch. So first and foremost, just to let you know, this is my very first luxury brooch, or even my very first brooch in short. And I wanted to have something that is quite simple yet timeless and also elegant, and that's why I opted for the Chanel first. I was actually debating between the Chanel as well as the YSL. Maybe the YSL will be my second one. I'm not sure yet, but at least I already have one. We'll see how it will go, if I like brooches or not. So yeah, I opted for this one instead of the YSL, and I also opted for this one because, as you can see, unlike the other Chanel brooches, this one doesn't have any stones or any pearls or whatsoever. that is why I chose this one, because I have heard from other YouTube videos that unfortunately Chanel brooches where there's, you know, pearls or stones, they tend to wear a lot faster, and for its price point I would like to have something that I know will remain, let's say, intact for a longer period of time. So that's why I opted for this specific brooch instead of those other Chanel brooches that has some pearls or stones. Even though they are so nice, so beautiful, I think to start off I wanted something that is more easy to wear, as well as very versatile and just, you know, very minimalistic and aesthetic at the same time. That's why I opted for the Chanel brooch, and specifically in this combo. Okay, so now that I have mentioned why I have purchased this specific brooch, now I'm just going to let you know why I have purchased a brooch. So like I've mentioned earlier, this is my very first brooch. And to be honest, I wasn't really keen on, you know, having a brooch in my collection. But after seeing some pictures on Instagram as well as on YouTube, for those who are wearing some brooches during their videos and such, I was like, huh, that is nice because it elevates their outfit. And I was like, you know what? I think that it is time to have at least one brooch in my collection. And that is the main reason why I kind of like decided to put this on my wish list and to have a brooch in my collection, because I think that this kind of brooch that is, you know, very minimalist but at the same time very elegant will indeed elevate my outfits. And that is really the main reason why I wanted to have a brooch in my collection. Okay, so now that I have finally mentioned why I wanted a brooch, I am going to let you know how I will wear the brooch. Normally, you can wear it, well, you have different ways to wear a brooch. As for now, I think I'm going to wear it only in 3 ways, even though I know that you can indeed wear it in different kind of ways. If you're interested for me to do that kind of video, you know, how to style a brooch, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to do that video for you guys. But as for now, I have just 3 ideas of how I will want to wear the brooch. So first and foremost, I would like to wear it on a blazer or on a jacket, because I think it will really elevate any jackets or any blazers that I have. I would like to wear it as well on a dress. So even, for example, I have just a plain dress like what I have currently right now. I have a black dress. By putting this on the dress, it will elevate and make it more classy and formal. And also the third way that I would like to wear this is on a hat. So for those 3 ways, I'm going to show you some mod shots of how I will wear the Chanel brooch. So there you go, guys. That was my reveal of one of the items that I have finally ticked off from my wish list of 2021 and 2022. So all in all, I am very happy and excited for being able to tick this item off my wish list, and can wait to wear it, style it, and I will let you know in a few months' time what I think about it after wearing it for a certain period of time, and also the wear and tear. So if you're interested, watch out for that video. And also, if you have enjoyed this video, please consider giving this a big thumbs up, as it will help the algorithms of my channel in YouTube. And also, if you have any comments whatsoever, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. And for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification button so you won't miss any of my future videos. So until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you on my next video. Bye!